All right, guys, it's a long time coming, but the folks at Flavortown Cookware joined forces with your boy CJ and got me some new goodies over here. Some new pots and pans. Listen, y'all, if you know me, you know I'm a huge fan of Guy Fieri. So by partnering up with Guy Fieri's Flavortown, guys, I'm over the moon about it. I have everything Guy Fieri, all right, from the hats from Knuckle Sandwich, right? Cigars from Knuckle Sandwich, the Flavortown sauces, Knuckle Sandwich knives. Guys, I am all about Guy Fieri. I'm a huge fan. Someday your boy's gonna spend some time with them, maybe break some bread and have a cigar with them. But in the meantime, we're settling for 6 degrees of separation from Guy Fieri with his cookware. We're doing a little unboxing today. I'm gonna show you what we got in these boxes. They sent me everything. We got 3 fry pans over here, a 12-inch fry pan over here. They're full set of pots and pans right here. So I'm not opening everything. I'm going to go through the full set and then kind of show you some other stuff because they sent these three frying pans separate, but those are also in these two, so I'm not going to unbox this one, but no big deal. I'm going to go through all the pots and pans that come with it, and I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the features on these Flavortown pots and pans. Guys, I'm truly excited. I'm even stumbling over my words a little bit. But it's going to be a good one. You're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's go ahead and get started and get these things out of the box. Get this bad boy open. Food is not just eating energy. It's an experience. I can get behind that one. He even sent a personalized note. Thank you for picking up my all-new laser titanium cookware. This collection is the real deal, and I know you're going to dig it as much as I do. So let's get cooking. Welcome to Flavortown. Well, thanks, guys. Can't wait to be part of the Flavortown community. There's a stop sign right in there, so let's take a look and see what it says. You must season your pan prior to cooking. Follow these steps. Wash the laser titanium pots and pans with water and put them on a stove. Set the heat to low to medium until it reaches about 300 degrees. And then add some cooking oil, spread it all over the inside of the pot and pan. Heat the oil until it smokes, and then leave it for 2 to 3 hours before cleaning. After the seasoning process is finished, you can use the pots and pans. So guys, you gotta do a little work. It's right up there with like cast iron. You gotta season it a little bit, but it'll be well worth it. Guys, this is packaged very well. Got our lids. The lids are over here too. You see how they got them kind of hemmed in over here. There you go. Big sauce pot. All right, let's take a look what comes into this bad boy right here. We got Guy Fieri's Flavortown laser titanium cookware. What comes in this box? The set of 10 Flavortown pots and pans. Now, I showed you separately, there's a 12-inch fry pan with a lid. That came separately. That's not in this big box. Forgot to mention, if you guys want to get any of these pots and pans, I do have an affiliate link down below. Make sure you click on it. It doesn't cost you anything more to do it, but it helps out your boy. What comes in the big box? An 8.5-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, 2-quart saucepan with glass lid, a 4-quart saucepan with lid, a 5-quart saucepan with glass lid too, and an 8-quart stock pot with a glass lid. So you're getting 4 glass lids to go with your 4 pots. And you got 2 frying pans that come with this. These pots and pans are good to use with gas, electric, ceramic, oven and dishwasher safe. They're easy to clean, and in the oven, they're safe up to 500 degrees. They have the non-stick properties without chemical coating. The laser titanium surface enables excellent food release without the PFAS or PTFE, PFOA chemical coatings. They're 3 times more durable. Using a patented process, lasers fuse a titanium alloy to the surface, making the pan 3 times harder than stainless steel. It's safe for metal utensils, so you can scrape and move and groove on it. All right, y'all, so we've gone through everything that comes in there, all the features of these pots and pans. Guys, you know I can't wait to get started on these. I'm gonna go ahead and get them seasoned up right now. I'm seasoning up all of these pots and pans. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love these. You know, it's funny out there. Usually when you see chefs endorse pots and pans or, you know, whatever in the kitchen. The quality isn't always what it's, you're looking for, right? But everything I've tried that Guy Fieri is endorsed, and I went through the list, right? I've been more than happy with. I've been surprised at the quality. Some with like the cigars, I'm surprised with the smoke flavor. I know a lot of y'all out there aren't cigar smokers, but your boy is. So I'm not such a connoisseur, but I know a good cigar when I try one. And his cigars were great. Barbecue sauces from Flavortown, all his donkey sauce, all that stuff, all been great. The knuckle sandwich chef's knives from Ergo Chef's Knife. He worked in conjunction with Ergo Chef's Knives and made a fabulous knife. Now, I know I work with other knife companies, but those are my go-to. So everything so far that Guy Fieri puts his stamp on, I'm into. Obviously, I'm a huge fan, but I'm going to tell you the truth about these when we start cooking, and we'll work on them. So, guys, just a quick unboxing, show you all what comes in these sets. Guys, make sure you're subscribed, like, share, all that good stuff. I got a ton of things I'm already working on in my head that we're going to do with these, so make sure you're around for it. If you'd like to become a show producer and be a part of the fun, there are 2 ways to join up. Either you could hit that Patreon link in my video description or hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for hanging with Guy Fieri and CJ. Take care.